What's up guys, the Renault Rafale made its world premiere today as a new halo car for the French brand, inspired by the world of aviation as evident in its name borrowed from a 1930s racing airplane and its debut at the Paris Air Show. The Rafale embodies the automaker's latest design language and technology. The coupe-style SUV is mechanically related to the Austral and will only be offered with e-tech hybrid powertrains. Guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, I encourage you to do so now. Just click that big red subscribe button below this video, trust me, you won't regret it. So, even though the Rafale shares the CMF-CD underpinnings with its counterparts, the Austral and its Space, it boasts a distinctive appearance with unique body panels. The model is positioned in the D-SUV segment midsize and boasts a distinctive appearance with unique body panels measuring. The front end of the Rafale boasts round-shaped LED DRLs and Peugeot-style LED headlights. Positioned below the sleek nose, the grille incorporates and creates an aerodynamically optimized pattern that echoes Renault's diamond emblem, while efficiently directing airflow and concentrating cooling at the lower bumper intake. The profile is less adventurous in comparison, yet stylish, with toned-up fenders, sleek gloss black cladding, and sharp lines along the lower part of the door. The standout feature is undoubtedly the sloping roofline, which gives the coupe SUV silhouette its distinctive look. The rear glass is precisely inclined at 17 degrees, a design choice that not only optimizes efficiency but also eliminates the need for rear wipers, epitomizing both form and function. There's also an integrated spoiler on the tailgate, alongside a prominent roof spoiler and a sleek rear bumper that cleverly conceals the exhaust pipes, resulting in a clean and sophisticated appearance. The SUV rides on stylish 20-inch alloy wheels, adding to its overall presence. Inside, the 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster is joined by a 12-inch portrait-oriented touchscreen to echo many of Renault's latest models. Customers will be able to get the coupe SUV with a 9.3-inch head-up display projecting the relevant info onto the windshield. Power is provided by a hybrid setup combining a turbocharged 3-cylinder engine with a pair of electric motors. The 1.2-liter gasoline unit produces 130 HP and 151 pound-feet of torque, while the main e-motor is rated at 70 HP and 151 pound-feet of torque. As for the secondary e-motor, it's a starter generator with 34 HP and 37 pound-feet of torque. Combined, Renault touts a total output of 200 HP to mirror the e-Space. At a later stage, the Rafale will receive a newly developed plug-in hybrid setup featuring 300 HP. The increase in power is achieved through an additional electric motor on the rear axle, enabling all-wheel drive and improving performance. The Renault Rafale is scheduled to be available for sale across Europe and other select markets starting in spring 2024, featuring the self-charging hybrid e-tech powertrain. Anyway guys, we will keep you updated, so subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one, peace out.